Hi everyone, welcome to a new iProcess webcast. Today we will talk about Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe, as an alternative development model to the V-cycle in the automotive industry. In recent years, automotive has shifted from the traditional V model to SAFe to become more agile. During the journey, we have witnessed a lot of mishaps, frustrations, expensive consultants and trainings, and not much agility. To start, let's have a look at what Scaled Agile Framework is. Definition. It is a framework containing a set of organizational and workflow patterns for implementing agile practices at an enterprise scale. SAFe promotes alignment, collaboration, and delivery across a large number of agile teams. Principles. SAFe is organized around 10 principles. Here is the list as described on scaledagileFramework.com. Principle number 1. Take an economic view. It could translate into what is the business value of a feature, a change, or a project. The entire chain of leadership, management, and team members must understand the economic impact. A good start would be to involve all stakeholders into the decision-making on the feature, change, or project, and have clear criteria defined on how to determine the economic impact. Principle number 2. Apply system thinking. This is not new in automotive since system engineering practices are the basis for the V model as well. Check out our V model video in the description. The difference consists of a new approach to management, where managers are problem solvers, are proactively eliminating impediments, they perform root causes, and they lead the change to improve systems and processes. Principle number 3. Assume variability, preserve options. This principle basically states that a stage-gated development process can be effective until it isn't, and in that case, there is not enough time to adjust. Instead, plan for variability and consider multiple design choices at the beginning. Principle number 4. Build incrementally with fast, integrated learning cycles. This principle is about system integration. All stakeholders understand that when the timing of integration point slips, the project is in trouble. Poor or late system integration is the #1 reason automotive projects are delayed. Principle number 5. Base milestones on objective evaluation of working systems. The phase gate milestones are process-driven and are usually created after the requirements phase is completed, design phase is completed, and so on. And they do not reveal real progress and thus do not mitigate risks. Instead, use the principle number 4 and define integrated product milestones for a working system with different maturity levels. Principle number 6. Visualize and limit work in progress, reduce batch sizes, and manage queue lengths. These are mechanisms for implementing a continuous flow that allows to move a new system feature quickly from concept to cache. Most organizations implement a CI pipeline, but still testing features at the end of the release cycle. Is this sufficient for a continuous flow and quick release process? No. Principle number 7. Apply Cadence, synchronize with cross-domain planning. This principle outlines the development process with scheduling of frequent events and synchronizations, PI planning, system demos, inspect and adapt, ART synchronization, iteration planning, and so on. The idea is that make routine everything that has to be routine, and this frees up the developers to actually think about the solution. Principle 8. Unlock the intrinsic motivation of knowledge workers. We live in a new age where the workers are smarter and have more local context than management can ever have. Unlocking this raw potential can significantly improve the lives of those doing the work, as well as provide better outcomes for customers and the enterprise, states the SAFe as the conclusion of this principle. In order for this to happen, the team must be high-performing and highly skilled. So, if in your organization the managers are still assigning daily tasks, then you will not experience the full benefits of SAFe. Principle number 9. Decentralize decision-making. Decentralizing decision-making reduces delays, improves product development flow and throughput, and facilitates faster feedback and more innovative solutions. One way to implement centralized decision-making is via leadership committees. Check out our video in the description. Principle number 10, organize around value. This principle is about how an enterprise arranges itself to optimize value delivery. Value stream concept is very similar to concept to cash. It is about the series of steps and teams coming together to deliver value to the customer or to the end user. For example, a new feature has to be run through the system, coded, tested, and successfully deployed. In conclusion, if your organization is transitioning from a V model development to SAFe without embracing the principles, just by renaming the roles and responsibilities without empowering the teams, by investing in tools without improving processes, or by still testing at the end of the release cycle, then SAFe is not going to solve your problems. Instead, focus on understanding these principles. First, determine how they could be applied in your organization and identify the methods and tools for implementation afterwards. iProcess can help you with training, preparation, and support for implementing best practices and achieving SAFe and ASPICE compliance by focusing on value. We are not only telling you what you did wrong, we can help fix it.